So this is how you use a lightsaber. Levi's toys. Quick amount of pieces. There's loads of pieces. And these stickers, no stickers. There's a robot on the back of it. And now let's look at the instructions and see what it does says.
Hello, Levi. My name is Kylo Ren.
And then you turn around.
Well done, the TIE fighter's done. And look at the jets on it. And look at the suit as it. It suits a very
So this is the Star Wars 75264 Kylo Ren's Shuttle Microfighter. And it was pretty easy to make, was it, Levi? What do you think?
pretty easy.
Well, you tell me. Hadley's in the background wanting to go to sleep. That's why she's complaining.
TIE fighter attack.
You think it was pretty easy for 6+?
Yeah, and look, TIE fighter attack.
And how old are you?
5.
Ah!
TIE fight.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.